Hello. This week's puzzle is sometimes called the American Billion Puzzle, although you probably won't be able to find that if you Google it. I don't know why it's called that. Basically, what it is we've got 10 little gaps here into which you're going to create a 10-digit number. Now, this 10-digit number must use all of the digits from
0 to 9.
0 to 9, or 1 to 9 plus 0 as well. And and the way the number has got to be constructed is so that when you put the first digit in, the first digit has to be divisible by 1. Now, any number is divisible by 1, isn't it? So any number could go in here. Then when you put the second digit in, if you read off the first 2 digits as a number, like if it was 1, 2, for example, that would be 12, that number has to be divisible by 2.
So that means that this number has to be even, right? Because it's got to be a multiple of 2, so it has to
so we know this number will have to be even, that's right. When you put the third digit in, this number made by these 3 digits together has to be a multiple of 3, multiple of 4, multiple of 5, 6, up to the whole number at the end has to be a multiple of 10.
So this week's puzzle is, there is only one way in order to fit these numbers from 0 to 9 into this, what would you call it, line?
Into this structure format.
So
that works.
Such that works. So multiple of 1, multiple of 2, multiple of 3, etc.
So we'll start you off with the obvious thing. So in that case, if the whole thing has to be a multiple of 10, what do we know about the last one?
It has to be 0.
Okay. If the number made by the first 5 digits has to be a multiple of 5, and we've used 0, that has to be
a 5.
Okay. And then from that point on, it's not obvious. We know some things, like we know that the second digit has to be even.
Yeah, so you could, if you want to put some structure into it, it's got to be 2, 4, 6 or 8. It can't be 0 because we've already used 0.
But like Grace said, the nice thing about this puzzle, there's 2 nice things about this puzzle. One of them is that there is only one solution. And the second nice thing about it is it's not massively difficult to find. It's not a really difficult puzzle. It's just nicely challenging.
But it's not obvious.
No, it's not obvious.
Which is
no.
good. Yeah.
So you've got 2 ways you can do it. You can either be kind of quite logical and methodical about it, or you could just put some numbers in and shuffle them around and see what happens. Both valid methods.
Yeah.
See if you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. That's this week's puzzle. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.